Our trip to Aspen didn't start out exactly as planned. Thanks to a classic Colorado snowstorm, we got sidelined and couldn't fly into Aspen directly. So what do? You take the scenic route on a 2-hour bus ride from Grand Junction. But when this is your view from the room, it's hard to complain. Time to unpack, get all my ski gear out, maybe hop in the hot tub, and get ready for what turned out to be one of my most epic days of the ski season.
Oh, look at this. So fun. Good morning. First day. Right now it's sunny.
Day one kicked off strong with nearly 10 inches of fresh snow at the base and even more at the summit. And a full day private mountain tour with one of Aspen's best instructors. Come on, can it get any better than this? Well, it did. One of the highlights, Powerline Glades. I dove in and skied like I meant it. It was one of those you can do hard things moments, and I'm still stinking proud. And then the Poma. Oh. If you know, you know.
Oh, no. Oh!
Yeah, wait a minute. Is it? Are we being filmed? Is this a thing? Is this a bit?
Oh!
That lift means business, and some people were struggling with it.
I'm not nervous now.
I'm nervous!
Everyone's doing it.
We got off at the top of the AMF, part of the extreme terrain, no flinching, no second guessing. And as Coach has said to me, just ski it.
So what they're standing on top of is called Little Cirque Cornice. Just to the left of it is what we'll ski later today. That would be the Cirque head wall.
Okay, yep.
If you can see that they've been tracked out pretty heavily.
Yep.
To the left over here, that's all east wall. That's really good too. Gets a little rocky at the bottom, so you got to be a little careful coming through. But it's all going to lead us back out to, there's High Alpine Restaurant down there, you can see.
Okay.
And that's when I saw it, a rare sighting of a white-tailed ptarmigan.
It's a ptarmigan.
A ptarmigan!
With a silent P. Yep.
Love
Like I said, I've only
it!
seen in those maybe 3 or 4 times ever.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful!
I liked it, I was like, what is
Beautiful bird, but I'll admit, I thought it was a sign I was about to meet my maker.
Holy! Oh! Yeah! Woo! I really didn't ski it. I went from side to side.
You made some good turns there, but you definitely started to kind of overthink it.
Yeah.
And you could tell how far back you were falling. You only hit the one rock.
After lunch, our legs, and maybe a bit of my nerves, were shot. Our instructor even said we were some of the most hardcore clients he's ever had, and he's instructed all over the world. So that is a pretty awesome compliment. So we finished out our day on the groomers, soaking in the views and giving our bodies a break. The next few days, we kept it chill. The lift name Sheer Bliss says it all. Our legs were toast, but our hearts were full. Aspen Snowmass lived up to the hype. So much so that we're already planning to go back next year. There is still so much more of the mountain to explore. The restaurants were delicious, the town vibe was laid back, and the early April crowds were practically non-existent. And honestly, we were seriously impressed. From storm delays to surprise wildlife sightings to tackling some of the most extreme terrain I've ever skied, well, until later in the trip, so stay tuned, Aspen Snowmass delivered. I will leave it here with a glorious blue run on Dallas Freeway. No people, fresh corduroy, and a song in my heart. Enjoy the sights and the sounds.
That's great.
Hey, you with a pretty face, welcome to the human race. We're waiting for these guys to tell us why you had to hide away from there is nothing.
Stay tuned for the next part of the trip, Copper Mountain and Arapahoe Basin. And hey, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and hit subscribe. It's free to subscribe, and it helps this Gen X skier keep chasing the ski bum dream. See you next time!